In this video, I'm going to discuss about the divisible by AI problem which occurred in the December long challenge. It states that you are given a function f b comma x where b is an array and x is an integer which gives a minimum positive integer y such that x divides y dot b of I where I ranges from 0 to n. That is, we have to check with all the elements of b, and what we require to find is f of a comma ai where ai is from 0 to n. That is, for all the elements of a we have to find this f. Okay, so let's say for this example 1 and 2. So 1 is there already, so we know that 1 divides each and every number. So what is the minimum number we have to multiply to 2 so that it gets divisible by 1? Obviously into 1, because that's 1 divides every number. So if we do into 1, then it's divisible by 1. For 2, what is the minimum number we have to multiply it to 1 so that it's divisible by 2? 1 into 2, 1 into 1 into 1, 1 into 3. Okay, so 1 into 1, 1 is not divisible by 2. 1 into 2, 2 is divisible by 2, so that would be 2. Okay, I'm explaining this in the most basic way possible. For 2, the rest two numbers are divisible by 2, so into 1. For this 2, rest two numbers divisible, these two rest two numbers are divisible. So now the basic code, that is GCD equals to 0. You have to run a loop. Okay, I plus plus GCD equals to GCD HCF of GCD comma AR of I. Okay, this thing goes then what to do? Okay, so we have found out the GCD. Okay, and for every element again what you have to print. Okay, print that element divided by the GCD and then print a line. Okay, don't forget this because this will give you syntax error. I mean, the output won't be correct for this, so don't forget this. So this is a basic code. Now if you need the explanation for this, I will tell you that, see, if we have found out the GCD of a whole array, that is, let's say these two examples are very naive examples, you won't get it with these two examples. Let's say there were 3 6 and 9 no 3 6 and 7. Okay, so for 3, what is the minimum number that I have to multiply it to 6? Nothing. You can multiply 6 into 1 and it will be divisible. Okay, so what about 7? You have to multiply it with 3. If you multiply 7 with 2, 14, not divisible by 3. Into 1, 7, not divisible by 3. Into 3, 21, that's divisible by 3. So that is basically, if you find out the GCD of the whole thing, it becomes 1. So what are you multiplying it with? 3 by 1. Okay, now let's say 7 was not there. 7 was not there. There were only 3 and 6. What is the GCD? 3. So for 3, you have to divide it by, you have to divide 3 and 3, it becomes 1. For obviously 6 into 1, 6 is divisible by 3. For 6, this is 3, so 6 by 3 is 2. So if you multiply 3 into 2, 6 is the something which is divisible by 6, because 3 is not divisible by 6, we know that. So 6 is something which is divisible by 3. So this is the basic logic, and this is the basic code for this. Okay, this thing. This was a nice problem, I guess. Easy one, but nice one. Thank you.